Reduce your watering needs up to 50% for your lawn with Hydretain. Stay tuned.
Let's go. Welcome back to the Greener Lawn. Today I'm going to be using Hydretain on my lawn. The reason why I'm going to be using Hydretain is that I need to reduce my watering needs. My ratio controller is not working the way it should. It is causing me fits. It is working intermittently and it is causing dry spots in my lawn. Those dry spots could be fixed if the watering was working when it was supposed to. It's not watering as long as it should or even running the zone at all when it's supposed to be running. Those are problems. So what this does is it brings moisture down from out of the air into the soil and keeps our ground wet longer in between. And that's what I need so that I don't have to worry so much about my sprinkling system until I get it fixed. This is a good product for this need. So I'm going to be taking this Hydretain, putting it in my spreader, putting my spreader on a 3.5 forest spiker, as you can see it right there, and then going and applying it to my lawn. That will give me 2.7 pounds per 1,000 square feet. And then I'm going to water that in with a generous watering. So all these dry spots like that are a sign that something's not going right. I've known that my system, the ratio system, has not been running on the quick run consistently or reliably all season long. I've turned it on and I thought that it was running on the regular schedules right, but when I'm seeing these types of patches like this, I know something is definitely not doing what it's supposed to. So I need a little bit of assistance, and that's why I brought in Hydretain. So the reasons why you'd want to use Hydretain is if you don't have a sprinkler system. If you have a sprinkler system and they charge you per gallon, or you just want to supplement your in-between waterings so you don't use as much water. Those are definitely all reasons to use it. It's definitely a great product. It really helps a lot. It brings moisture from out of the air into the soil, so it keeps it moist down in the soil. It doesn't grab moisture when we water. What it does is it grabs humidity, brings it down into the soil. That's a huge difference. Hydretain is something that's a great product for homeowners to pick up. It's definitely something that you should look into. I'll have a link down below. You can check it out. You might ask, is there a difference between the granular and the liquid? Well, yeah, one's granular and one's liquid. The liquid comes in an already pre-made mixed solution. It's a little bit more expensive in the liquid. This does go a little bit further, but both of them are going to work the exact same down in the soil. You don't have to water the liquid in as much because it's already liquid and it's already broken down. The granular, you are going to have to water it a little bit longer. So after you get done with the application, you do need to thoroughly water it in. It is best to water it in immediately. You can do it within 3 to 5 days. As you can see above, I'm going to actually use this rainstorm that's coming for this application. So that's the reason why I just put it down, is because I can't trust my irrigation system right now. It is failing me. It is not doing what it's supposed to. So I am using this as my backup, and it should help out quite a bit. I'm excited for it. If you're needing a product that gives you hydration in your soil, it gives you water, it retains the moisture, this is definitely the one to look at. I'm Jeremy of the Greener Lawn. Make her green.